So, you've got all these notes in your folder now. You're creating new notebooks and adding notes to them. With time, you will want to organize them, and you have pretty much all you need to do that on the three dots icon of each folder. You can rename your folder or share it, which allows you to collaborate on all the notes in that folder. You have permissions that you can control just like you do when collaborating on notebooks, which we've already covered. Sort by arranges your notes according to default, which is date edited. That's the one that I prefer because it makes it easy to access documents you're working on and those you recently worked on. But you can also organize the notebooks according to when they were created and according to titles. And for both, you can start with the newest to the oldest or in ascending or descending order. Group by date is easier to appreciate when you have a lot of notebooks. You can also interact with each notebook when you right-click on it. Pin note is helpful to keep notebooks at the top of your folder if you use or refer to it often. The pin notebooks go above your dates, even today's date, and that makes them much easier to access. You can also lock a notebook, but Apple Notes has a lot of limitations on the types of notebooks you can lock. They mustn't have tags or attachments, and you can't be collaborating on them. After entering your password, you'll be asked to enable Touch ID if your MacBook supports that. It's best to enable this so you avoid entering the password each time you want to unlock a notebook. You have to close all locked notebooks. When you don't, no matter where you go, your locked notebooks don't automatically lock when you close them. The notebook pop-up menu also has an option for you to add tags. Move the notebook to other folders. Or delete it.